Hi everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I am bringing you a review from Morningstar, and this is their intelligent USB plus plug built-in socket plate. So we are going to, well, my husband is going to install it right there so that, because this is usually where I sit to do a lot of my reviews and stuff, so I can just have everything plugged in right here. Alright, so yeah, we're going to watch him do it. Okay, so now how did you get that back off? You just stuck the screwdriver in and turned it a little bit to release it, right? Alright, the test to see if it works. Yay! So the cool thing about this is it has two plugs and it has two built-in USB ports. So no more searching for a USB adapter for the plug. I can just plug everything right into there now. Oh. Heard the beep. So there's this phone charging. Awesome. Alright, well I will put the price and the link in the description box below. Give me a thumbs up if you like